Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic country style home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic country style home decor is a cozy, nostalgic aesthetic that combines elements of aged charm, natural textures, and rural simplicity. Here is a breakdown of its main features. Number 1. Vintage old-fashioned elements. Incorporate antiques or vintage-inspired pieces like distressed furniture, rotary phones, old picture frames, and retro signac. Own finishes, patina, chipped paint, or faded fabrics that give a lived-in, nostalgic feel. Number 2. Rustic. Natural materials emphasize on wood, especially reclaimed or unfinished, stone, iron, and leather. Handcrafted look. Things appear handmade, with imperfections adding character. Earthy tones, warm neutrals like browns, beige, and soft whites dominate, with occasional muted greens, blues, or reds. Number 3. Country. Farmhouse vibes. Think barn doors, mason doors, open shelving, and gingham, or floral patterns. Comfort and function. Furniture is practical but comfy, like overstuffed armchairs, large wooden dining tables, or cozy quilts. Homing touches. Wall sign with friendly coats, baskets, dried flowers, and soft lighting and warmth. Overall feel. It is the kind of decor that feels like a welcoming, charming countryside home, lived in, heartfelt, and full of character. Origins and influence. Vintage draws from past decades, often 1920s to 1970s, with a focus on timeless, oil-owned charm. Rustic, rooted in rural living, cabins, farms, and mountain homes, with a raw, organic feel. Country emphasizes warmth, hospitality, and tradition, inspired by countryside cottages and farmhouses. Together, they create a style that celebrates simplicity, authenticity, and comfort. Common materials: wood, reclaimed barn wood, exposed beams, raw or whitewashed finishes. Use metal like old iron, galvanized steel, like in old milk cans or lanterns. Textiles: linen, burlap, cotton, wool, often in plate, gingham, or floral patterns. Stone, natural stone fireplaces, floors, or accents. Use ceramics and glass, like mason jars, vintage glass bottles, and pottery. Color palette uses earthy neutrals like warm brown, cream, soft grays, and beige. Pops of muted colors like chess green, dusty rose, pale yellow, and soft blue. Aged finishes, whitewashed or distressed paint that shows natural wood warmth. Furniture styles for vintage rustic country style home uses farmhouse tables like sturdy wooden, often long with visible grain and wire. Mismatched setting vintage chairs with different finishes or patterns. Sleep covered or tufted sofas, comfy and lifted, sometimes linen or cotton. Vintage storage, trunks, armoires, or upholstery cabinets. Open shelving, especially in kitchens, to display everyday dishes and chores. Decor and accents, antique finds like clocks, picture frames, old books, enamel art, or typewriters. Handmade and upcycled. Child decor like repurposed clothes, handmade sign, or distressed mirror frames. Botanicals, jade flowers, eucalyptus garlands, lavender bundles. Wall decor, rustic wood sign, vintage art, family photos in mismatched frames. Lighting, in the soft warm lights, messenger candle arts, lantern style pendants, or candle holders. Modern twist, modern rustic country. If you want to blend modern conveniences with rustic charm, here is how: pair vintage features with sleek hardware like matte black candles. Use modern appliances alongside open shelves and rustic cabinetry. Stick to a minimalist layout with select vintage or rustic touches to avoid a cluttered look. Emotional and aesthetic appeal, nostalgia. It evokes memories of simpler times. Your grandmother's house, a countryside vacation, or a vintage farmhouse. Comfort and calm, the mix of cozy fabrics, soft lighting, and firm colors creates a beautiful and inviting home. Authenticity. Every piece tells a story, whether it is a chipped animal picture or a weathered chant headboard. Textures and layering. Texture is key to create depth and interest in a rustic vintage space. Use dark wood space, soft linens. The balance between hard and soft textures makes a room feel both grounded and cozy. Layered textiles use rug over rugs, like jute under clean, throw blankets over chairs, or ruffled pillows on beds and benches. Own surfaces embrace peeling paint, noted old and rusted metal. Imperfection is beauty here. Room by room style guide, living room. Furniture, deep, comfy setting with sleep covers or distressed leather. Accents, old window frames as wall decor, vintage trunks as coffee table. Fireplace decor, a stone or brick with a chunky wooden mantle and lanterns. Kitchen, use open shelving with crockery and glass jars. Use farmhouse sink and vodka block counters. Decor, hanging pots, metal baskets, and vintage signac. Bedroom, iron bed frames or reclaimed old headboards. Use layered coils, crocheted throws, and ruffled beading. Bedroom decor. Use wicker baskets, antique mirrors, bedside messenger lamps. Bathrooms. Use clawfoot tubs, shiplap walls, and vintage style buckets. Wooden shelves with chill towels and chairs of bath salts. Touches. Enamel soap dishes, floral curtains, and vintage prints. Entryway. Frames with baskets underneath. Use old coat hooks and rustic hall tree. Entryway decor. Use welcoming sign, wall-mounted lantern lights, and antique mirror. Lifestyle integration. This decor style is not just visual, it reflects a way of living. Sustainability emphasizes reusing, repurposing, and handcrafting. Slower paths encourages a cozy, home-centered lifestyle. Think baking, gardening, and family dinners. Personal expression. Every bit is unique, often shifted or handed down, making your home feel truly yours. Key taker pictures. Here are some must-haves to really sell the look. Galvanized metal buckets or planters. Messengers as vases, lights, or storage. Also, barn-style sliding doors with the suitcases stacked as decor. Uses our baskets and wooden crates. Use milk glass or ceramic pitchers. Use ruffled or lace-trimmed curtains. Historical roots. Rustic and country style come from 18th to 19th century rural homes in Europe and early America, built with what was available: raw wood, stone, and handmade items. Vintage influence layers in 20th century charm, especially items from the 1920s to 1970s, like rotary phones, enamel sign, or old radios. This blend creates a timeless look that respects craftsmanship and simplicity. Mix and match style. One of the best things about this decor, it is intentional mismatch. It gives your space a crowded lived-in feel. Mix old and new. Pair a modern white sofa with an antique coffee table. Use different wood. Don't worry about matching furniture finishes, variations, and character. Play with metals. Mix copper, black iron, and galvanized steel. Balance femininity and ruggedness. Soft florals or lace next to raw wood or iron makes a beautiful contrast. Seasonal decorating. This style shifts beautifully with the seasons. Spring. Add soft florals, light pastels, and fresh greenery in pictures or jars. Summer. Use gingham tablecloths, dried lavender, and rustic picnic baskets. Autumn. Decorate with pumpkins, burlap, plaid blankets, and warm golden tones. Winter. Bring in cozy knits, candlelight, pine garlands, and antique sleigh bells. Each season is an opportunity to refresh the space without losing the core vibe. Scents and ambience. This style is not just visual, atmosphere matters. Candles like vanilla, cinnamon pine, or baked bread scents. Lighting. Warm toned lights, Edison bulbs, or lanterns make a space glow. Sounds. Soft folk, country, or jazz music in the background makes it feel even more inviting. Dye project ideas. Vintage rustic is perfect for dye lovers. Here are some creative, budget-friendly ideas. Distress furniture with chalk paint and sandpaper. Create wall art from old window frames or burned old planks. Turn messengers into pendant lights, vases, or soap dispensers. Create wall art from old window frames or burned old planks. Turn messengers into pendant lights, vases, or soap dispensers. Make a coffee station with craters and vintage cups. Repurpose lanterns into shelves or blanket jacks. Tinsel sign with quotes like gather, welcome, or farm fresh. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.